Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and, for example, it does not respond to your touches, you cannot open something, you cannot close the app, etc. So to do that, to reset your device, simply press the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together. So the combination of keys that you're usually doing for the screenshot, but press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. It should take approximately 10 seconds. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together and keep pressing. Obviously, we've made the screenshot, but let's ignore it and keep pressing both of those buttons. And be patient, of course. Here we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, but keep pressing. I felt the vibration. So I've released the fingers and now we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully reset our device. And now we need to wait until it will be fully powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.